Hi, welcome to the Tabs and Icons video series. My name is Karo Ezuzu. In today's video, we're going to look at the goseek command. The goseek command appears under the Data tab. If you click on the Data tab, you see a group called Forecast. On top of that group, you see the What If analysis. If you click on the drop down there are three very important menus there. We're going to use the goseek command. Now, how does the goseek command work? What does it do? The goseek command helps to provide an appropriate value for an expected variable in an equation with a predetermined outcome. That means we're going to have a predetermined outcome in our equation, and then we need to determine another variable that will help us to arrive at that predetermined outcome. Let us go to our data. Now we have this data here saying the unit sold of a product is 400 and the unit selling price is 250 Nigerian naira. That means the total sales is simply unit sold times unit price, which is 100,000. Now the direct cost as a percentage of sales is 30%. So here what I've just done is take 30% of the unit sold. Now gross profit certainly is this less the direct cost, 70,000. But let's look at our illustrations here. How many units must be sold to get a gross profit of 95,000 if the price remains at 250 naira per unit? We mean the price will remain. This is going to change to 95,000. So this value will change to 95,000. All I will need to change now is the amount of units to be sold to achieve this level of profit. Now there are mathematicians can actually use change of subject formula to arrive at that, but Excel has actually made this much easier for us. By coming to here, I select goseek, and we are told set cell, which means this is the predetermined cell. I already know the gross profit, which I'm going to say set that gross profit to set predetermined outcome. So the predetermined outcome is 95,000. Now, what variable am I going to change to achieve that? I'm going to change the unit, this unit sold, which is sales unit, because I'm told the price will remain at this. So all I need is just to click OK, and the system will run and provide an answer for me saying we will need to sell 543 units at 250 naira to achieve a gross profit of 95,000 naira. Okay, now let's look at the second scenario. What price must I sell? Must I sell 650 units to make a gross profit of 135,000 Nigerian naira? So my sales unit is already known 650. I change to 650. My price, I don't know. So certainly for now, I don't know my price. Let me leave it that way. But I know my expected outcome, 135,000. 135, 123. This is my expected. Sorry, I'm not supposed to do that. There's a formula there. I already know this price, 135,000. So let me just keep it here, 135, 123. This is what I expect to have as my price, as my gross profit. Now, what price must I sell? I already have my unit here. I need to know the selling price. Of course, I have a formula here to calculate my direct cost. So I go back to my what if analysis. I take goseek, and then I come and ask myself, which is my setting or my predetermined cell? My predetermined cell is my gross profit. What is my predetermined value? 135,000. I write 135, 123. What is supposed to change? I'm supposed to change what price must I say? I'm supposed to change my price. This is my price here. That's all I need. The next thing is hit OK button, and Excel calculates this for me. That's it. So I'm to sell 650 at 297 naira per unit to achieve a gross profit of 135,000 naira. This is how the goseek is used. There are a lot of other scenarios you can apply the goseek without bothering to crack your brain with mathematical equations. Thank you very much for listening. In other videos, we're going to see much more of what Excel can do. Bye-bye.